This is a YouTube video for explanation of problem 13. In problem 13, we are asked to write a function of slope with the variation of x1, y1, x2, and y2 that will return the slope of the line through the point x1, y1, and x2, y2, and it needs to be sure that the implementation of the slope can pass the provided test. So I will explain for a little bit, but in maybe math 1 by 1, you all knew that a slope can be found by finding out the point that's the slope of the line passed through the provided point by using this formula. Slope will equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And because this is a fraction that need to have this part that need to be different from the zero value. So in the program, it will need to add an additional check to make sure that x2 minus x1 is not equal 0. From that, we have the program. So first, we define the slope containing this kind of variant, and then we check for a vertical line to avoid division by 0. This is the part that I mentioned before. We need to have a check step to make sure that x2 minus x1 will be, which is the lower part of the fraction, is not equal to 0. If it equal to 0, then the return the value means none. That means the slope is undefined for vertical lines. For else, then we return the value of this equation, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now I will try for the test that is provided within the sentence. So just 1 second. So let's first run the program, and we will use the print command to see if the value is equal when we input the test value. So slope x1 is now 5, 3, 4, 2, and we will test if this equal to 0, 1.0. When we print this command, print this variant, it will return 1.0, 1.0, which means it is equal when we put out the test. That means the test is passed. I will try another one. So print slope by, let's try 1, 2, 3, 3. Let's see if it equal to 0.5. Okay. The result shown that it is equal.